In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link columns in Monday.com. If you want to connect items from one board to another and keep related work organized, Monday.com makes that process pretty simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly how to create that connection and then use it to link items between boards. To get started, log into your Monday.com account. Once you're in, open the board where you want to create the link. This is the board that will receive the connected board column, so make sure you're in the right place before moving on. Next, look across the top of your board at the column headers. On the far right, click the plus icon to add a new column. From the menu that appears, choose More Columns. This opens the full list of available column types, which gives you access to more advanced options. In the search bar, type Connect Boards, then select it from the results. After that, wait for the Choose Which Boards to Connect window to appear. This is where you'll decide which board should be linked to the one you currently have open. You can either use the search box to find the board you want, or browse the list if it's already visible. Once you find the correct board, check the box next to it. If you want both boards to reference each other, you can also turn on the option called Set as a Two-Way Connection. That setting is useful when you want visibility from both sides, but if you only need a one-way link, you can leave it off. Now click Connect Boards. Monday.com will take a moment to process that, and then the connected board column will be added to your board. Once it appears, click into a cell within that new column. This is where you'll start linking specific items. A list will appear showing items from the connected board. Select the item you want to link. As soon as you do, the linked item should appear in the column cell, confirming that the connection worked. Take a moment to verify that the correct item is showing, especially if the connected board contains several similarly named entries. If you need to link more items, simply repeat the same process in additional cells as needed. This makes it easy to connect related tasks, projects, clients, or records across separate boards without duplicating information. And that's it. You've successfully linked columns in Monday.com and created a cleaner, more connected workflow. Thanks for watching.